Hi, we're here with the corn, unveiling of the corn. This is going to be a bit of a reaction video because I've never actually harvested corn before. I'm going to pick it and show it to you, and then I'm going to cook it. And I might do a bit of an explanation about the yard as well. But yeah, so this is my corn. It's, I don't know, it's probably about 4 weeks old. 4 weeks? No, probably 2 months. Actually, I've got no idea how long it's going. Alright, so I'm back. I had a look, it was bugging me, and it's been definitely more than 2 months. I had a look, and it's the end of January now, and I did have pictures of it on January 1st when it was just first starting to come up with the cobs. And oh, there's, by the way, there's Twig. Twig, come here. Twig. It's the dog. She's the gardener, the real gardener back there. See? There she is. There she is. Good Twig. Anyway, back to the corn. So I'm thinking maybe possibly 3 months, maybe November or something like that when I planted it. So these are wicking beds. I'll explain that later, but basically they're pretty good for growing things and all self-contained at this belly height, so perfect to get in there. And yeah, so as far as when the corn is ready, I've been reading up that it's when the tassels turn brown like this. So I think it is time now to pick them. So what I'm going to do is be brave and pick them and see what it looks like. So I've heard that you just snap it off, and let's see what happens when we do that. Kind of nerve-wracking. There we go. Twist it off. There we go. I will say that they're slightly smaller than what you might get in the supermarket, but anyway, it is what it is. I do have some on the other side there, which I'll show you later, but let's see what it looks like now when we do the unveiling, official unveiling. Oh, look at that. Now, I was worried about worms or insects or whatever. I'm not sure if it's quite ready yet. Having a look at it, it looks yellow. It looks good. It is slightly smaller than what you get in the supermarket, but to me that looks pretty good. First corn. Twig, what do you reckon? What do you reckon, Twig, of the corn? Up, look, what's this? There it is. There it is, Twig. That's the corn. Good job.
It's alive.
All right, let's go and get another corn. Hey, Twig, what you doing? Where's your friend? Where's Mac? Where's Mac, Twig? Where is he? He's over there. Time for another corn. Twig, come here. This one looks good. Let's pick that one. Whoa, nice big corn. Pluck, pluck. Perfect. Look at that. We'll get to open it up and see what's inside there. Very nice. Time for the unveiling. Open him up. Whoa. Look at that. Look at that corn. Perfect. So yellow, so golden, beautiful, beautiful. Isn't it, Twig? Look at it. Up. What is it? What is it, Twig? Corn. Good dog. Yellow. Good dog. Do you want to go and see Mac, Twig? Let's go see Mac. Where is he? Where is he, Twig? Yeah. There he is. There he is. That's Mac. Good dog. There he is. Hey, Mac. Good boy. Good boy. Time to go and prepare the corn. Very nice. Isn't it, Twig? Right, we brought it inside and now we're going to open it up. Open it up. Shuck it, I guess is the word, terminology. Shucking the corn. Look at that. Can't beat homegrown snap. Beautiful. Very nice. And that, the husk, we'll put in the worm farm. Outside into the worm farm. Alright, taking the bricks off, now we can open the worm farm. Plenty of stuff in there, you can't actually see the worms, but anyway, chuck it in. Put the bricks back on. 1 brick, 2 brick. Very good. Hey, Twig. Yes. Yep. Now, make sure the water's boiling. Looks like it is. Close enough anyway. Take the corn. Whack it in there. Now, I hear that it's best without salt. So, let's try it without salt. I mean, we're going to put salt on it anyway. And again, it's freshly picked, so probably only a couple of minutes in there. Look at that yellow. Whack the lid back on and should be good. All right, time to check progress. Nice, nice. Looks like it's cooking away perfectly. Bubble, bubble. Another couple, maybe a minute or two, that'll do. All right, now for the butter, we're going to use quality butter here, Farmer's Table. It's actually made by Bega cheese, and that's close to my heart because that's where I used to live. So only the best for my homegrown corn. Farmer's Table single churn natural butter, unsalted. We'll add salt and pepper, obviously. Time to get the corn out. So we'll extract it. Looking good. It's only really been in there for a couple of minutes. That's all she probably needs. We don't want to overcook it. Just enough to get it going perfectly. Whoop. Look at that yellow, just amazing. Take it out onto the plate and turn the oven off. Remember, kids, don't let the kids near the oven or the hot water. All right. So we've got the butter ready and the corn ready. So one-handed, we'll get a bit of butter off there, just off the corner, and maneuver it onto the corn. Whoa! You can't beat fresh corn. Look at that. Round and round. Round and round. Perfect. Try and sit it on top. Easier said than done with one hand. Oh, lovely. Lovely. And while that's sitting down there, all right, get it rubbed on there, beautiful, melting off, melting, very nice. Look at that action. And then ta-da, load it up with pepper and salt. Squish it around a bit. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Perfect. All right, now it's going to be pretty warm. Store warm. Look at that. What do you reckon, Twig? Mmm. Wow. So fresh. So juicy. I'd recommend growing your own corn, folks, if you can. It's definitely worth it. Fantastic. Sorry for eating with my mouth full, but it's just so good. There you go. From wicking bed to oven to mouth. Gotta love the corn. Alright, there we can see it a bit better now. Definitely smaller, but the kernels all look pretty good. And there's Twig having a look. Then we've got a cherry tomato, so there's tomatoes there. Now maybe because I let multiple cobs grow that they turned out smaller than normal. I don't know, maybe someone can let me know if that's an issue, if I should have culled it back, so to speak. But yeah, we do have multiple cobs here on these 3 plants. So even though they're smaller, there's quite a good crop. And lettuce is doing good. And so here are the other corns. They've grown in the other, so I have 2 kinds of wicking beds. I have the normal IBC bulk containers that we use to hold liquid fertilizer that I purchased secondhand from one of the friendly farmers. And then this is the second style of wicking bed, which is just what I did was I used the old roofing iron from my house and put it here together. This used to be a greenhouse, this structure, but I've turned it into like wicking beds. And yeah, so I'll be harvesting this corn as well down the track. These cobs look pretty good as well. And yeah, so I'm reasonably happy with my first effort of growing corn, and we'll see how it cooks up and how it tastes.